Have you ever been in a situation where you felt that you're suddenly starting to take on the speech patterns of the person you're talking to? Speech patterns determine our accent, the phonetic characteristics of our voice. Humans are highly attuned to accents. Babies as young as 5 months of age respond differently to native accents, their own native accents, compared to non-native accents. In today's society, in modern society, accents do something slightly different. They convey layered meanings about who we are, how we want to express ourselves to the world. But accents are quite fluid. We very subtly shift our accents to accommodate to the person we're talking to. Adults accommodate to other adults and also to children, but children are master accommodators. You'll all know that your own children, if you have children, probably don't speak like you, they speak like their peers. This is because they have very flexible speech processing, but also because they have an innate desire for social conformity. It means that children and adolescents are at the forefront of language change, and we can predict the future of language by looking at the children and adolescents. Accent change progresses in all communities, but it particularly intensifies through population movement when dialects and accents collide. So our projects are looking at establishing new models to generate a new model that is integrated and inclusive of diversity, to reconceptualise Australian English.